On the face of it, the Hyatt closure seemed emblematic of how badly hospitality industry has been hit by the pandemic. And indeed, some estimates put the total number of hotels and restaurants impacted say that 270 branded hotels in India had temporarily closed due to the second wave. 8 had permanently closed. The hotel industry has complained bitterly that they receive little or no support from the government. But a deeper examination of the Hyatt case suggests a troubled financial and governance record which the pandemic could have served as the final trigger.
At one time, it was one of Mumbai's top 5-star hotels right next to the airport. Average room rates of over 10,000 rupees a night. And then the pandemic hit.
The Hyatt Regency Hotel near the Mumbai airport earlier this month suspended all its operations until further notice, leaving many of its approximately 450 employees uncertain about their jobs and their futures during this pandemic.
Staff say they barely had a warning when the bad news was announced by the general manager on the morning of June 7th.
एक नोटिस लगा दी मॉर्निंग में और इवनिंग से सब पैकअप करना चालू हो गया था. तो ऐसी हालत में हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, आप ही बताओ.
15 minutes later, this notice was put up, saying that there were no funds forthcoming from the company that owns the hotel Asian Hotels West Limited to be able to pay salaries. Hyatt itself has gone silent, barring a statement by Sanjay Sharma, the Vice President and India Country Head of Hyatt, issued earlier this month, saying we are working closely with the hotel's owners to resolve the situation.
Hyatt has offered no further comments regarding questions about staff salaries during this time. Instead, they directed us to the owning company, Asian Hotels West Limited, for any other information. We also tried reaching the Senior VP of Finance at Asian Hotels West, but he did not respond to phone calls or text messages.
The Industrial Court in Mumbai has given the Bharatiya Kamgar Sena, the union which represents about 193 employees of the hotel, partial relief and protected them from termination until the next hearing. The staff have also been paid their salaries until May 2021. But that's clearly not enough. This is Rupali Natekar, who worked as a room attendant at the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Mumbai. Now barely able to manage potentially life-saving drugs for her husband after first taking a 50% pay cut since May last year.
लास्ट ईयर से जब से कोविड आया तब से 50% सैलरी पे हमें रखा
आपका
है.
सैलरी कितना था मैम?
मेरा 13,000.
और अभी आ रहा है 6,500.
हाँ, तो मुझे अपने हस्बैंड की दवाइयाँ बंद करनी पड़ी. वो बीपी और डायबिटीज़ के पेशेंट है, उनकी दवाइयाँ मुझे बंद करनी पड़ी क्योंकि मैं नहीं पे कर रही. वो इंसुलिन पे है मेरे हस्बैंड फिलहाल, तो मुझे उनकी दवाइयाँ बंद करनी पड़ी साल भर से.
Hemant Redekar worked as a cook at the hotel for 11 years, drawing a salary of 26,000 rupees. For the past 1 year, he, like his colleagues, took a 50% pay cut, which meant that he had to stop chemotherapy for his mother, who has stage 4 lung cancer.
अभी कैसा है कि इस आदमी से थोड़ा उधर ले लो, उस आदमी से. अभी माँ का ट्रीटमेंट तो नहीं रोक सकता मैं, क्योंकि
आपके माँ बीमार है, आप कह रहे थे.
मेरी माँ बीमार है, तो पिछले 2.5 साल से कैंसर पेशेंट है, लंग कैंसर है और स्टेज 4 पे. तो उनका दवाई केमोथेरेपी अभी पिछले 1 साल से तो रुक गया है पूरा. ऐसा होता है कि कभी कभी सोचते हुए बैठता हूँ कि आगे क्या होगा हमारे बच्चों का. माँ को दवाई देना है, खिलाना है, या कि ऐसे ही छोड़ देना है. माँ तो नहीं छोड़ सकते ना. तो ये चीज़ बार बार टेंशन आता है. जैसे तो आगे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. अब रिश्तेदारों से पैसा मांगना है तो कितना मांगना है, किससे मांगना है.
He has started selling his assets to be able to make ends meet.
कर्जा लिया आपने
ऑलरेडी ले चुका है. मैंने अपने वाइफ का 5 तोला सोना बेच दिया है. एक मेरा प्लॉट था वो भी बेच दिया पिछले 1.5 साल में, क्योंकि दवाई तो करना है. वैसे मैं बेड पे नहीं छोड़ सकता उसको. ऊपर से ये जो क्लास है स्कूल का, उसका फीस नहीं भरा है, तो वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि अगले साल एडमिशन नहीं देंगे ये साल, और ऑनलाइन क्लास भी नहीं चालू करेंगे. ये दूसरी सिचुएशन है.
कितने महीने का फीस पेंडिंग है बच्चों का?
पिछले 6 महीने का पेंडिंग है.
An examination of the filings of Asian Hotels West Limited charts out the impact of the pandemic and of underlying tensions. Up until about 2019-20, the hotel seemed to be doing well. turning around years of loss and even posting profits since 2016-17.
But their financial results for the period March to December 2020, as India started to lock down, shows that revenue crashed by almost 80%, and the company went from making a profit of 3 crore in 2019 to making a loss of 32 crore. Things came to a head on June 8 when Asian Hotels West told the stock exchange that the company defaulted on a Yes Bank installment on 28 April 2021 for the first time in its history. This, it said, is due to the massive effect of COVID-19 pandemic on the company, entire hotel industry across the country and the globe. Since then, they say, Yes Bank has held all their funds in an escrow account, and the company or the hotel are not allowed to make any payment from the said account. But it appears that the crisis was not just financial. A day after the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Mumbai shut, 2 of their independent directors resigned. Raj Bhargav, one of the directors who resigned, said to the company secretary and compliance officer that it was because he did not see any future, and also because, despite repeated requests, the chairman did not respond to a discussion on the financial problems of the company. Lalit Bhasin, the other director and a lawyer, was harsher, saying that it was because of the failure and refusal on the part of the chairman to convene a board meeting to discuss the acute financial crises which the company is facing. He said there was an atmosphere of hostility among the promoters.
At Asian Hotels West Limited, we emailed the company secretary and the compliance officer, who did not respond to our request for comments. We also tried reaching out to the independent directors of the company who had recently resigned, both of whom refused to speak to us. We also reached out to Yes Bank. A bank spokesperson said that as a matter of policy, Yes Bank does not comment on client or company specific information.
For those impacted like Hemant Redikar, the chances of finding another job is grim. Across the city, hotels are struggling or even shutting down. Like the Ramada Hotel in Powai, shut since the lockdown in March 2020.
मैं ये पूछ रही थी, ये कब से बंद है होटल? मार्च से। तो यहाँ पे जो काम करते थे वो लोग? अच्छा, जो काम पे कोई आते हैं यहाँ पे अभी? पहले के काम पे जो आते थे वो लोग आते हैं? नहीं. In further evidence of how the pandemic has devastated the hospitality sector, we are here at the Ramada Hotel in Powai, Mumbai, which the guards tell us has been closed since March last year. The only staff here are the guards and a few members of housekeeping staff who come to maintain and clean the hotel. The rest of the staff, what happened to their jobs, nobody knows.